Okay, hello everyone. Good day. My name is Jesus Cerda and I'm going to talk about tumbling process for the secondary manufacturing processes subject. So to start, what is tumbling? In the first slide shows one of its uses. This vibratory process is used as a finishing method. It involves the finishing of parts in bulk by a mixing action inside of a container, usually in the presence of abrasive media. The mixing causes the parts to rub against the media and each other to achieve the desired finishing action. Mainly uses, for example, is to the burring, that is the treatment for the edge of metallic pieces. Another is the flashing, polishing, burnishing, and cleaning of every part. Then, now we can see the components included in a machine to carry out the process, to carry out this vibratory process. The first one is the strong container with thick springs that allow it to move it, causing the mix. The second one is a motor to provide the movement to the container. The third one is about the abrasive media and it depends of the material that you will rework. And the last one is the fluid system and it includes a pump with intensity regulator to a better performance and finishing. This could add a fluid for the cleaning on the system.
And after now, the main idea, I will explain that the development of my project was carried out in Adyen Metales Ramos Arizpe. Adyen is a global leader in automotive seating with approximately 75,000 of employees operating in 208 manufacturing assembly plants in over 30 countries worldwide, produces and delivery automotive seating for all vehicle classes, especially in the Ramos Arizpe plant. ADM manufacturing the cushion seats, that is the below part of the seat of the automotive seat. So the background information about the main issue comes when the second shipment of the Tundra project was delivered. A customer complaint was received for yellow stains on the seat upholstery for the 2021 Tundra truck caused by the added metallic brackets. So as you can see in the picture, in the first picture is the drawing for the finished good. The second picture is the same but in other angle. And the third one is the problem. The problem of the rust pieces.
After that was identified that at the start of the assembly process, the material handle of the pure brackets is not the best because after 2 months stored by the low usage due to the model production change, these brackets are now in the quality allowed condition to be used. Why? Because the pieces become rust along the days and it's not possible to get assembled at the final line for the dimensional variance due to the rust.
Now, after looking for a solution to avoid this kind of problem, we found the tumbling process. And after seeing supplier, after define the best, and after our final resources plan, we found that the tumbling process is the cheapest one. Why? Because every piece has a reward cost of $0.12, and every finished good has just one piece. So for the development, we got an initial shipment to the supplier, then receiving the pieces, we testing the pieces, quality testing the pieces, and we ship samples of the finished good to the customer, to Toyota, and verify that it has the same rate for the production line. And this information you could find it at the official page of Alcast. And here, this the adding bracket and the Alcast abrasive material. These are the typical performance media shapes used in mass finishing operation. The A section is abrasive media for finishing, and the B section is steel media for burnishing. We use the first section, for example. These are real pictures for the work. To finish the project, these are the final results for the metal brackets. After the tumbling process, you can see that the pieces become more cleaning, and we won't have more customer complaints in the audience finished good. For the last slide, I will show you a little example about how the process is carried out and how is acting the abrasive media, and you can see it now.
Control valve and fluid lines. The water and compound are simply circulated through the machine. This is a simple system, but it will make a big difference in how your parts come out. This is the sound abatement lid that comes with the machine. We have dividers available for running two different kinds of media.
And this is all. Thank you for your patience, for your attention.